everyone. Our team is called Bytes, and we created an application called Speakeasy, which is a translation and transcription application. So we will be showing you our first demo or demonstration. I will share my screen now. Yeah, so as you guys can see, I'm in Visual Studio Code, and I will show you how to launch the application, and then I will show you the application. So first, we're changing directory into the folder. You guys can see I did CD code and CD speakeasy because we're changing directory into the location in which the file is located. Then I'm going to do npm install, and then npm I at Zenova transformers. Just to, install the necessary packages to help run the program. And now I will launch it with npm run dev. Okay, so I'm going to copy the path here. And I'm going to run it in incognito. Tommy will explain why we run it in incognito.
Right. So we want this in incognito because while we are communicating with the transformer model, we have to make sure that there are no browser cache history or cache in general or any cookies that can affect the model. So that can give you some errors. So either you clean out your cache history or your cookies, or you just open it in incognito, and that works perfectly fine.
All right. Thank you, Tomby. So now I will continue on to the demo. So as you can see, we have our logo and the sign-in option. We just have the UI component for it. We will focus on the details for signing in within the future sprint. So you can drag or upload an MP3 or WAV file. So when you click upload, it opens up your file explorer. And the good thing is that when you open up your file explorer, it only allows the use of an MP3 or .wav. If you search through the other folders, you won't see any other like file extensions. Like it doesn't give you the option to select those. It only gives you the option to select an MP3 or .wav file. So when you click this file, it opens. And you could click this X to delete it. So I'll show you. Once you click it, the file is removed and you don't see the file name on screen. And so I'm going to re-upload it. Click attach the MP3, open. And as you can see, the MP3 file is attached and you can see the file name. Now I will click transcribe. And when you click transcribe, it should redirect you to a new screen that will show you the transcription. It does take a while. Here we are, okay? So as you can see, this is the transcribed text. It says testing, testing, 1, 2, 3, and that was what I said in the audio. And so far you can select the language. So we have like different others, like Dutch and stuff. And then you have a copy transcribed text and copy translated text. And so when you click this, as you can see right here, it says text copied to clipboard, okay? And I will demonstrate. Let me get my text editor. So I'll type, well, actually, I'll just do it here. Click paste. And as you can see, testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. So the copy icons are working successfully.
So I'll give a quick review of what the code is doing currently. So in our main file, we are taking in the audio, and then we have a worker which does the communication between the transformer, the whisper model, and the application. And we are making sure that we get a status from if it's been successfully communicating. And when once we get the file input, it converts it into an array buffer, and then it decodes that to make it into an audio data. Then we take this audio data and we go through the Whisper model. That's where we are using the Zenova transformer, as you saw Callie in the very start, installed npmi at the rate Zenova slash transformer to before running the application. So this is where it's creating a pipeline for uh, our web between our web browser and the Hugging Face library. The Whisper model has an algorithm inside called beam search algorithm, which decodes the audio data and then generates multiple beams. Beams basically means like multiple possibilities of what the audio might be, and it gets the best possible output. And then it decodes the automatic speech recognition chunks and processes it to at the end. That's how we get the result message. So at the end, we get processed chunks from the audio data by uh, going it through the audio file. Um, but yeah, this is like the basics of our transcriptions.
Stay tuned because in the next sprint we plan to work on translation. So the transcribed text that you do see on screen, you will be able to translate it into any language that you like. And then we hope to improve on UI and add additional features to the application. So thank you everyone for watching our demo. Callie and Tommy here. Bye-bye.
Hey.